Good morning, students. Hope all are keeping fit and fine. Welcome to home learning. Students, now we'll learn English Standard 7, Unit 6, Exploring Patriotism. And now we are going to do explanation of the activities given in the textbook. So let's proceed. In activity 1, students, here there are many faces hidden in this picture, right? So you have to identify them and write the name of all the freedom fighters which are hidden in this picture, right? You identify and write the names. Now we proceed with an activity third, students. In activity third, students, in the A part, right? In this part, all the words are given, and in the B part, the meaning of the word is given, which are already discussed in the meanings, right? So you try to write the answer. You can make a column here, right, in the answer column and write the answer. The first is K, second is literacy, right, that we have already done. First is K, literacy, philosophy, magistrate, conflict, elegant, patriotism, conservatism, emancipate, right? So do this on your own, students. Now we proceed with the next activity. In this activity, students, how well do you know Mahatma Gandhi? Write 10 interesting facts about Gandhiji's life. You can use your school library or internet for collecting the information, right? So do this activity, students. Now we proceed with the activity 6. Fill in the blanks. Here, student, it is written, though his lit dash level was low, he was very wise. So this, it is the missing letter, right? The first three letters are given, students, and you have to complete the rest to make a complete word. Here also the same is pat is written dash like Sardar and Gandhiji are not born every day, right? So you have to complete the next few letters to complete this word, right? Now we come to the next one. On the second day, he dashed to go to see the court of Durban. So you just make the past tense of to go and write the answer. We must never dash an injustice, but we must always show dash for others' beliefs. Right? So you can here write the adverb and the adjective, both are used. So you try to write the answer of this fill in the blank, students. Now we proceed with the next activity, which is a favorite one, student. It is a crossword, right? Now see, where's the activity 7, where is the good word? So from this great crossword you have to find out, and the hint is given, a place for ship, a place for ship to dock, students. Now what do you mean? The first hit is a place for ship to dock. Now what do you mean by the word dock, student? Dock is the enclosed area of water in a port for loading, unloading and repair of the ships, right? So the hint is given and you find out from the grid. Second, the opposite of polite. The opposite of polite, whatever the answer comes, it is in this grid, right? I have a sweet tooth. I am very dash of sweet. So whatever answer comes, you write in the crossword. To begin. What is the meaning to begin? Whatever answer comes, the other word to begin means you write it the answer in the crossword, right? We will proceed with activity 8. Make sentences of your own using the following words, first as an adverb and then as an adjective. For example, early. So first as an adverb we've used, we must make it a habit to get up early in the morning. And as an adjective, the early bird catches the worm, right? So let's see immense. So first you use immense as an adverb and then as an adjective. Now we proceed with the next one, students. Here it is sharp as an adverb and as an adjective. Proud, fond, hard, right? So you try to do on your own these sentences, students. Now we proceed with the activity 9. Interview a social worker in your locality to find out about the problems faced by the people living in your area. Prepare a questionnaire. Now, students, what do you mean by questionnaire, students? Questionnaire means the list of questions which you are going to ask for the interview, right? Start with the following questions, then add a few of your own. So these three samples are given, three questions are given. May I know your good name, sir or ma'am? How long have you been working in this field? For how long have you been in this locality? Okay, so prepare the questionnaire, students, and write it on your own. Activity 10. Write about the experiences you had when you visited a place you had never been to before. These students also you have to write on your own, right? Because it varies with your thinking. So here we complete the explanation of the activities of the in the textbook, students. Stay home, stay safe and take care.